Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Snapchat device ban on settings. You will just click here on settings, then you come here to this is window here like you say, and you will go down, you will click here on apps, then you come here to apps window and you will just go down here to looking for Snapchat app here and this is window. You will just go down and you will click here on Snapchat. Then we come here to next window here like you say, and you will click here on force stop, and you will click here on OK, and you will just click here on storage. Here you click here on storage, then you come to storage window, you will click here on clear cache, then you will click here on clear data, and you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's you just follow that and it's going to work with you. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.